How did my AI music channel become profitable in less than 20 days? I finally managed to make real money with my AI music channel in less than 20 days. And in this video, I'm going to share the entire process with you, completely free of charge. Yes, you heard me right. We're going to reverse engineer everything together, from 0 to 100. I'm going to share with you all the tricks and tips I've learned along the way over the past 10 years. But before we get into the details, let me make one important point. Why don't so many people succeed on YouTube? Because by skipping videos, they deprive themselves of deep learning, which means they miss out on the key points that are being taught in the videos. Please don't rush. Just like learning a serious skill, take your time and watch this video to the end. I was very inspired by two channels along the way. The first is Lo-Fi Girl. This channel uploads relaxing music. This is a huge opportunity because few people talk about it. It's interesting to know that this channel has over 2.3 billion views with only 232 videos. The second channel is a newly founded project that uses a similar strategy. This channel was launched just a few weeks ago, so it's clear that this area is in high demand and there's still room for growth. The first step is to set up a channel. Most of you can do this. If you don't know how to get started, just like the video and write in the comments, how do I create a YouTube channel? If there are a lot of requests, I'll create a full video and step-by-step instructions. Choosing the right genre or style of music is one of the most key steps to success. Why? Because we want our channel to grow quickly and attract a specific target audience. The best way is to find your 3 main competitors, check their videos, and see which style has the most views. Once you've set up your channel and chosen the right genre, it's time to start producing content. And that's where AI like ChatGPT comes in and makes everything 10 times faster and more professional. What did I do? It's simple. I went into ChatGPT and wrote this prompt. I want to create epic action cinematic. Please provide a detailed prompt that I can use for this. Include specific instrumentation, structure, mood, inspirations, and any additional production notes for a professional grade composition. I want it to sound intense, powerful, and dramatic, like the soundtracks of epic battles or heroic movie scenes. Give enough detail for me or a music producer to work from directly. Make it no more than 180 characters, and then I wrote, make me 10 different seeds. In less than a few seconds, ChatGPT created 10 professional prompts for me to produce epic cinematic scores, precise, organized, and with all the details a composer needs. Now that your music is ready, the next step is to publish and optimize your video to increase views and visibility on YouTube. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go to the video description section and click on the Music AI website. Click on the Sign In button and sign up with your Google account. After completing the registration, you will be automatically logged into your account and all the necessary tools are at your disposal. Music AI is one of the best copyright-free music production tools I have used to date. With a few simple clicks, you can create your favorite song in any style and mood, without worrying about copyright infringement. The music you produce is completely yours, and you can safely upload it to any platform: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Spotify, and even for sale in markets. Music AI not only speeds up your workflow, but its output quality is on par with many of YouTube's most popular songs, especially for channels looking for epic, laid-back, lo-fi, or electronic background music. When you enter the Music AI dashboard, the first thing that catches your eye is the variety of music genres. From epic and electronic music to relaxing music, holiday, lo-fi, and even specific genres for use in everyday videos, it's all here. To get started, click on the Discover tab. Here you'll see hundreds of users making their own music. This means that this tool is actually being used, not just a theoretical service. What I really like about this platform is that you have 100% ownership of every track you produce with this tool. No copyright worries, no fear of being blocked on YouTube or Instagram. Everything is under your control. If you click on the Tags tab, you'll see genres like holiday music or lo-fi chill beats ready to be created. But I won't go into all the features of Music AI here because it's best to sign up and try it out yourself. The tool gives you a certain number of free generations. And if you share it with your friends, you'll get even more. Click on the Generations tab. You'll see that if you share the link on social media, you'll get up to 2 more free generations. Just remember, once you choose a genre, all the songs you make will be based on that genre unless you manually change it. We've already made prompts with ChatGPT, right? Just copy the same prompt and go back to Music AI. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Enable the instrumental/vocalist option, available for the free version as well. Now click Generate. Congratulations, you are now creating a professional, exclusive, copyright-free song that can shine in your YouTube video. time for the final step, creating a visual video, visualizer video. First of all, open the video creation tool and click on the Get Started option. In this section, you need to choose a visualizer. I usually use Circle Spectrum, but this time for variety, let's go with Monster Cat Bar. Now it's time to upload the music we created earlier. Click on the Upload Audio button and select the generated audio file. After uploading, make sure the file is loaded correctly. Now it's time to customize the video to your liking. Click on the Artist Name section and enter the name of the artist or your channel. For the song title, go back to Music AI, copy the title from there, and paste it here. In the extra text section, you can write copyright free or any other text you want. Now you can change the font, color, and size of the text to match the style of the video. It's time to add a cover image. You can find free images from sites like Pixabay or Pexels, or even generate your own using artificial intelligence like Bing Image Creator or Leonardo AI. Once you've uploaded the image, if you like it, move on to the next step. If not, you can tweak it further to your liking. Now it's time to export the video. Click on the Export option. Name your project. Make sure to set the FPS settings to 60 and enable the Ultra Fast option. Finally, click on Start Encoding and then Export and wait for the video to be ready. While the video is being prepared, let's go back to Music AI and check one important point. This tool only gives 3 free generations. You can get more by sharing your affiliate link, but the songs you generate will be public and others can use it. But if you really want to make money like me, I recommend getting the $10 plan. With this plan, you can create 300 prompts, which since each prompt generates 2 songs, means you have 600 songs. This is not an advertisement. I have no affiliation with this site. It's just a tool that I use myself and would like to share with you. Okay, now let's go back and see the final result of our video. I shared this tutorial with you completely free of charge. If you didn't like this video and subscribe to the channel, well, maybe I'm not the person you're looking for. And that's perfectly normal. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't rush to subscribe. First, make sure that it really helped you, and if it did, just a like is enough. But if you really want to support me, I would be grateful if you would hit the subscribe button. I'll be waiting for you in the next video. Until then, good luck and stay creative.